All right. What's on your desk? Well, you can see what's on mine. Those that follow me inside the storehouse, a place of blessing, they know that when we had our 16th year celebration, I had to go, and cherries wasn't available at that time. And I told them when I see them, I'm going to get them. And people know that I am a person of my word. Well, I saw them yesterday and I wasn't even looking for them. And there they was right before my eyes. I almost walked away from them, but then I thought, I was like, now I said now, when I see you, I'm going to get you. So I had to get me that cake. You know what it is, cake. I'm sorry it looked that way. I tried to leave it alone. But anyway, there's that cake, ice cream and cake with that cherry on top. And yep, to the side. Can't help myself. Cherry after cherry after cherry. Blessing after blessing after blessing. Rams after rams after rams. Favor after favor after favor. Well, you have a wonderful, today is May the 7th. You have a wonderful Thursday, and may God bless you.